Okay, so in this video, we're diving into domain 4.2, fundamental data types. These are the building blocks of programming, the raw ingredients we need before we can cook up anything useful. Let's break them down with simple analogies. Char is a single letter, like one symbol on a street sign. String is an entire street name, multiple characters grouped together. Integers are whole numbers, like counting how many gallons of gasoline you've pumped. Now, a float is a number with a decimal, like how many gallons are in the gas pump display. Boolean is true or false. It's like a light switch that's either on or off. Now let's connect this back to the Breaking Bad lab. Chars and strings are like Walt's notebook, filled with chemical symbols and formulas, letters and sequences that together carry meaning. Numbers are precise measurements, grams, moles, percentages, that determine the outcome of every batch. Integers, think of Walt saying we need exactly 99% purity. Floats represent those tiny decimal variations that can make or break the yield. And finally, Boolean are pure yes or no decisions. Do we cook or do we not cook? Jesse and Gus made those kind of choices all the time. So here's the takeaway. Data types are like the ingredients of programming. Each one has its role, and using the wrong type at the wrong time can ruin the whole recipe. Master these basics, and you're one step closer to programming like a pro chemist.